Here's a great example of a Nobby Opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted to help accentuate the colours. This is semi-crystal type material. What's around here underneath I don't know. Interesting piece. I think this will lend itself more to carving. It seems to have a few hollows here, so what you're going to end up with will be a bit of a mystery, I think. It's not going to be a straight flat stone. For someone that wants to carve, I think it'd be a fun, not that expensive piece to start with. It's on a lighter grey base, unfortunately. But anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.